Good morning. We're at the Dartford ploughing match today. You can see in the background I've unloaded my tractor, moved it. People unloading their tractors. It's going to be a nice day. Looks like hopefully the rain will hold off. A bit of a rainbow. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but catch me in a minute and do some ploughing. Thanks very much. Good morning. How are we? Good morning. Ploughing again? Yeah. Good man. Morning. Morning, Bob. All prepared? Good. Do you know where you're going? There's a bit of string they give you to tie it on. Oh, see a bit. Good morning. Where's my bit of paper got? Oh, is she? Okay, thank you. Good morning.
First of all, sorry, I can't pass on this with judges. I'll sort that out for you.
Are we playing today? I thought you was judging, that, yeah, or not? Or are you just walking around?
Yeah, I've been judging.
You're judging, I thought so.
What we're here for.
Are you supposed to go in there?
We are.
Oh, right, okay.
What are you playing with? Is he in at all? And he can have it? That's alright, you can have it in Ogden's place.
Oh, is Ian coming?
Oh, well, it'd be rude not to do this.
Number 1 in 9A.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sorry, John.
Toby. He's boss, he's gone. Rosette on his. That's me and his senior. Good luck.
You didn't work at World of Kent, was you? Was you at the World of Kent?
No.
Okay.
I haven't been there for a few years.
And it's Ian.
I got really marked down on that.
Ian Hunt who gave you.
I was last.
Yeah.
I got 34 points.
Oh,
Yeah.
what did you do wrong?
No, well, they moved me because there wasn't it.
Unploughed ground is the biggest
No,
drop, isn't it? No, I did.
because they
play
moved
Ben and
me.
East Kent, but,
Because they moved me. I was a bit late finishing, so they probably docked me 19 points for that.
good do, yeah.
Well, we'll see.
Yeah. It's good like that.
Yeah.
The wheel.
I've never had 34 points. You know, I've never had under 100, but I can understand it. Never mind. That's life, isn't it?
Life, yeah.
Such is life. A late entry, eh? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Robin Bell.
Robin, okay, there you go.
Okay, and whereabouts is that going?
Number 5. On the back of the programme, which I put in there.
Okay.
Right, it's we're here. So we're here.
So Great Ferguson's will be
Sort of. I think it's
over there.
over there.
Yeah.
Hello, Bill.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to give you a hand.
Thank you. Class
Morning.
10. Class 10, is that over there? We're here.
Ferguson.
3, 2. Where's class 10, Dave? Oh, there's class 10.
Class 10's up the top
there.
there.
You're on the motorway.
Parallel with the motorway.
Over the
This
motorway.
side, no, this side.
No, this side.
Yeah, I can work it out.
Yeah, this side.
We're here,
Yeah.
class 10 and 11, they're along this side of the motorway.
Oh, okay.
All the reversibles are over that side except class 7, which is down here.
Okay then.
Alright?
Thanks ever so much then.
Alright.
Well, there you go then. Morning, Peter. Where's your tractor? All right. Morning. How you doing? What? Have a good day, Ralph. Enjoy it. Hey? Yeah, I know. You know what's in a blue fork? That's a lovely old girl. What is that then?
1935 International 220 track tractor.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it? What sort of horsepower would it have?
Only about 27, but it's a bit less than that now, I think.
Oh, okay.
Because the rings are a bit worn and the boards are a bit pitted.
Restore it yourself?
Well, so far, yeah, I've had all the engine apart and I've done a bit of painting, although I
Yeah.
don't think it's right to do the painting, but the trouble was the bonnet, which is very thin, was going rusty and somebody had tried to paint it before anyway, so
Okay.
well, I'll paint the front end.
Well, it looks very nice. Some old girls there, case and a foursome, and I've just found me fault, but I lost off the tractor. There you go. we doing? I told you I don't look so glam. So what made you take up tractor ploughing at your age then?
I've just loved it all my life.
Well, yeah, how old are you now?
15.
15. And this is your tractor, is it, or your dad's
My
tractor?
very own tractor.
Your very own tractor. Brilliant. So you enjoy the day?
Oh yeah.
Don't win the class. Well, you're not in my class, I don't think. No, you're not in my class.
No.
So have a good day anyway.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Cheers. I'll move my front pole in a minute. I'm just going to put the scan down here. Good morning. 135, lovely old tractor, isn't it, eh?
Yeah.
All set up now, ready to go?
Well, near enough. It's
Yeah.
only your second time of doing it. So,
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, it's only...
His first one on Wednesday.
Oh, good. We all start somewhere. Nice looking tractor. Did he restore it himself?
Sorry?
Did he restore it himself?
Oh, he had a gift to him. He had a gift to us.
Did he?
Yeah. Got a mower on the back.
Blimey.
Yeah.
He's a lucky man then, isn't he?
He is. Yeah, fucking lucky, I'd say.
Oh, it's... I'll have a chat with him. Tell him he's got to straighten his poles up right. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to move my front pole now and get going. It's not a real big ploughing match, but it's a local one to me. So there we go. Good morning. How you doing? Good. Your name is? Oh,
Gerald Brooks.
oh mate, but come far?
Only 7 months.
7 Oaks, so it's not too far at all then, is it? Did you do the Wheel to Kent last week, the other weekend?
No, I just do this one.
Oh, you just do this one. Nice tractor, you do it all up yourself?
It belongs to my mate who's over that side.
Oh, okay, so you have a little play as well.
I just have a go with it.
Good man. See you later.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you shouldn't have bothered. Thank you. me opening. It's a bit wibbly wobbly. It was a horrible start. I'm on a bit of a slope here, but I'm just making excuses up now. So, see if I can straighten it out on the next 12 barrels. See how we go. Catch you in a minute. Okay, I think we managed to straighten them up a little bit. Not brilliant. Stubble's showing a little bit. The cran's a bit wibbly wobbly. But I think I straightened it up a little bit. It's hard because it's on the tilt and going downhill as well. But I'm pleased with my ins and outs, and let's carry on now. Thank you. Well, all finished there. Yeah, all finished now. Stage ploughing. It's a bit wibbly wobbly. The soil didn't help me. That's my excuse anyway. Got buried most of the crop, so it's looking good. So we're going to see the results, and we'll see how we go from there. Thanks for watching. How'd it go for you? Was it good?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah. Soil was a bit tough down one end, wasn't it, with the tram marks, but other than that. Right, then, cheers. Machine? No. I helped him bring it down. Good afternoon, your tractor?
Yeah, of course I will. Well, yeah.
Can I come up and have a look inside? Cheers. What's your name?
Video.
Who?
Video.
Yeah. On YouTube?
I'm Donald.
Donald?
Yeah.
Cheers, Donald. The case, I like case tractors. What do you think of them?
Yeah, we had one a long time ago.
Yeah.
We didn't go lot on it. But this one has been very good.
Yeah. It's giving me no problems.
Two little teething problems to start with, but
Yeah.
it's good.
It's a comfortable cab, isn't it? Very comfortable cab. I see you got all the electronics, and unlike my Ferguson's got nothing. A couple of sticks and a winding wheel, that's all I've got.
Yeah.
So do you do this on a regular basis, Plough, on your farm?
Yeah, the farm's changed hands. Now we don't do hardly any ploughing at all.
No, it's all mill-tilled now, isn't it? Yeah, that's the way it is, isn't it? Because they let the worms do the job rather than the plough do the work.
Yeah, yeah.
So, and it's cheaper, obviously. So, yeah. So how long have you had this? This looks quite new.
Year and a half.
Yeah, and can I ask what sort of money was it when you bought it?
Oh, I don't know.
No, it's the governor.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks so much, Donald. Thanks for your time. I won't shake your hand. You've got a sandwich in there. Anyway. All right then, mate. Cheers for your time. I appreciate that.
Okay.
Look on YouTube. It'll be on YouTube. All right, mate. It's unusual plough. They've got no boards. It's I don't know what you call these, but they're, I suppose they are a board, but different from our boards. Perhaps someone and leave in the comments what the boards are. What's your name? Sorry.
Tom.
Tom from
Hawley
Farms,
yeah.
Strawberry Farm up Simwell Lane.
Yeah.
Can I just have a little look inside? Thanks a lot. What sort of horsepower is it?
It's 160.
And boost to?
That's a good question. I think it's 180.
180.
I'm not entirely sure.
Can I sit on the seat?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. It's got all the doodads on it, I see.
Yeah, well, it's got the it's Dyna 6, so it's got the on the left-hand side of the console.
Yep.
That shifts up and down.
Yep.
Obviously the range changes the lever on the there.
Yep.
So normally we've got the camera. There's a reversing camera, but this normally has a spare on it.
Okay.
So it's a trail spare. So on the back we put a camera. So
Yeah.
when they're reversing, they can see into the corners and also see the nozzles.
You're the manager down at there.
Yeah, well,
I've
yeah.
talked to you. I've spoke to you before.
Have you?
Yeah. Quite a long time ago, but I used to. I know Marion. She used to let me metal detect on the land, on your land years ago, and I've got into this now because I've got land and everything else. But tell us a little bit about the Plough.
Well, the Plough is actually our neighbours.
Okay.
Andrew Pearce, he kindly lent it to us.
Oh, okay.
So it's an auto reset.
Yep.
It's on springs. It's also just got the adjustable front furrow. It's set on about 14 inches. But we only picked it up. I picked it up an hour ago. It could do with a bit of. I think the thing is with these ploughing matches, that looks like they're fixed. Most of the ploughs here are fixed.
Yeah, I don't get that sort of type of mobile. That's weird.
That's a slatted one, so that's normally for wet ground. So it can
okay.
stick to it. So if you've got heavy ground, they use those, and then the soil doesn't stick to them so much.
Oh, you've answered a few questions for me as well.
But see that if you look on it, they're actually fixed. So if you hit a stone, it's got a bolt nut brake. So
I see.
because we've got quite stony ground, and Andrew's our neighbour, he's got the same. So it's a spring mounted, so if you get stone, it just lifts up.
Yep.
But
do you have to reset it or anything like that?
It's got a spring inside there.
Yep.
And you've got balls that sit, they just sit, so it links in, so if it hits if you hit something, it just lifts up.
Gotcha.
But with this plough, I think it's something to do with replacing, because some are slightly worn than others, so it didn't do a great job.
Well, plough's a bit of a dodgy word these days. Everyone mill-tills now, don't they?
Yeah,
so
they might come back in. You know, we bought a new plough a couple of years ago because we were doing a bit more winter ploughing and just weed control, or sometimes we spread compost.
Because you have got a bit of arable land as well, haven't you?
We've got
on the back end of St Mole Lane by the old church, haven't you? So yeah. Well, thanks for your time. I appreciate that. And what's your name again?
Tom Pearson. Yeah.
Tom Pearson. I look at the lovely ladies adding them up.
We would like this one to come second.
Right.
Yeah, that's it.
Can you fiddle mine a little bit more as well? So I did go round with a bucket.
I know, you were good.
Yeah. I didn't wheel the Kent for some reason. I had to move because of a wasp nest.
Oh, blimey.
And I've got the lowest points I've ever got. So I've got 96. Pretty poor. Thanks ever so much, Steve.
Oh.
Never mind. Another day. Thanks ever so much, Steve. Cheerio, then.
And so she sort of goes all the way through and stays across the
Good afternoon, guys. Did we do all right, David?
Brown.
Andrew?
Me, I left it as it was.
Yeah.
Untouched.
Untouched. You didn't plough today, then?
£1 today, no. No.
Why is that then? Didn't fancy it?
My motor blew its radiator on the way.
Oh.
I turned around and go on.
I'll speak to these two old misers next
you
door
do
as
that.
well.
That's right.
Hello, Bob. Do you enjoy it today?
Lovely, mate.
Lovely. Peter?
I miss
Yeah.
Which
Yeah.
bucket? We went down to the Wilder King.
Yeah.
Short fish farm.
Across the road. Right across the road. Yeah. There you are. All finished now. Going home. Seen the results. Lots of good. But I weren't expecting to win anything. But I've enjoyed the day. Thanks for coming along with me. And don't forget to like, subscribe. It'd be nice if you could support my channel. And see you again then. Thanks so much. Cheerio.